Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh and today we are going to see some concepts of steel structures as a part of our structural engineering this lecture. So today we are going to see something that what is a steel structure and how it is different from the RCC structure. Now steel structure basically comprises of steel members that are in both in compression as well as flexural members. Now if we want to construct a factory or a place which needs a longer span and which needs a certain amount of height, and we don't have to apply some load on it, and we just want a roof over the top, so we can opt for steel structures. Now steel structures are basically precasted steel structural members which needs to be installed on the site. A steel structural foundation has to be the type of a type of concrete foundation, and the steel structure can be of various types, the steel structural joints can be of welded joints, or it can be of bolted connections. The like say Now we must look at the concept of how a column is, or you must have seen the street lights. For the people who are not from the civil side, for them, if the people have seen this steel column or a street light, you must have seen that at the bottom of the street light, the bolted connections are provided. Now these bolted connections are called anchor bolts or anchor points. These acts as a foundation or as a joint between the concrete part and the steel part of the structure. So these basically can be in the U shape, in a J type of a formation. So this is because to resist the movement of the column from swaying and all. Now various failures are also there in steel structures, like buckling of plate, cracking of plates, basically shear failure of plates. So these types of failures needs to be checked, and you must be aware of these failures, so as to construct any if you want to construct any steel structure. And if you are not from the civil side, or you are also from the civil side, so you must know about these, you must also be knowing about these failures, as these minor failures can cause a major destruction to your building. As in a case study of a bridge in UK, there was a small crack in a steel member of a bridge, which caused the bridge to fall. A small crack in the bridge can basically distribute the load coming on that crack. The member could not take that load, and the member just broke, and the structure was destroyed. So these small failures need to be checked and need to be taken care of. And if you are designing a steel structure, and you are thinking, why should I go for steel structure, why cannot I go for RCC member? So the pros of steel structure are basically that the steel structure construction is very fast. As you know, if you want to construct a 50,000 or a 1 lakh acre 1 lakh square foot factory, it cannot be constructed with RCC members, and we don't need RCC members because the load coming on the structure is not that much. And the steel structure is basically very faster, and it is with high precision, because these are the factory made product. Now as I told you about the connections of steel structures, like we have the bolted, we have also the riveted connections, we have the welded connections. The pros and cons are all these connections are different. We have shear failure in bolts. In welding connections, we have welding failures. The weld is not properly the joint is not properly welded, so the strength of the joint reduces. The major failures on a steel structure is on the joints. This member is basically precast, is factory made, so the error on that portion is very less, because they are being tested in the factory as well. But at the joints, because the joints are being made in the site by the workers. So few errors can be uh, few errors can come on the site also. So the joints are the places which needs to be checked thoroughly. The bolts must be properly fitted, and the bolt efficiency is also there, blade efficiency, which also has to be checked, so that the too much bolts in a structure is also bad, and too less also is bad. There's a specific number of bolts that has to be provided in a structure. So these are the concepts which we need to see in steel structures. Thank you.